you guys. I know it's been a hot minute. Welcome back to my channel. Fabulously Charlie here, and I have got a couple of boxes I want to open for you. I'm sorry, I just got off work. I've been up since 3:30 this morning, and yeah, let's get into it. So I got 2 boxes from Too Faced. I've actually done a little shopping haul, which I should have posted, but I didn't. But it's okay. I'm sorry. I've got 3 dogs looking at me like I'm crazy. And, yeah. Oh, don't you? I don't have a way to get into this box, but it's okay. We're going to make it happen. So, I actually shopped on the Too Faced app, website, whatever, because that's just, that's just how we're shopping now. Oh my God, this box. Okay. So, let me just try to break into this box, because I don't have my knife, I don't have anything sharp, and no, I'm kidding. Even though, like, seriously, pretty pink stuff. And let's see what we got in this box, because I have 2 boxes, and oh, I got a little sample guy. And seeing as how I couldn't open the top, I have no idea what the inside of the box says. So, this is the Christmas in the City palette. It's got a few different things in it. Let's get into it. These are so super cute already. This one is Christmas in Paris. Oh, you guys, this is also cute. And it smells so good. So, this is the Christmas in Paris palette. I already like this color right here. Oh my God, you guys. That is an amazing color. That is chocolate croissant. So, this is supposed to smell like, hang on. This one's supposed to smell like strawberries and champagne, which I get that now. It smells really, really good. So, that is Christmas in Paris. This is Christmas in Los Angeles. And this one is supposed to smell like pina coladas. Ooh, look at those colors. That is fantabulous. You'll buy the pool. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that, but that is so pigmented. I like that color too. So this is another eyeshadow palette. And then there is a Christmas in Rome, which is supposed to smell like limoncello. And it also comes with a mini Better Than Sex mascara. So this is a face palette. And this is supposed to smell like limoncello. Oh my God. Amazing. Look at those colors. They're so vibrant. So, that was my first box. And I got the Hangover Pillow Cream with that box. So, give me a second. I've got to adjust. I have a ring light. I'm new when it comes to using that stuff. So I still got to figure it out. But look at the packaging. This is like freaking amazing. It's so pretty. And if you look, these are just so gorgeous. And then the inside, oh my gosh, the inside is just as beautiful as well on all these palettes. So that's that one. And here's box number 2. Really wish I had my knife. Oh, we're going to open this one from the top. I didn't seal it up like a mad person. So it says, made with love by really, really pretty people just like you. And it all started with 2 boys, a dream, and glitter eyeshadow. And it says, Too Faced, my greatest hope is that these Too Faced products inspire you to become the very best version of yourself. Love you, boo. Jared. And Too Faced. So, more pretty pink paper. Born This Way. And we have in this box 2 more palettes. This one is Christmas Around the World. And this one is Christmas in London. Let us open Christmas in London first. This one is supposed to smell like English toffee. This is a face and eye palette. Again, came with the Better Than Sex mascara, which I love that mascara. So having these little minis is going to be great for me. Get into the box. And look how great that packaging is. Okay. So, look at that. That's so pretty. I'm going to open it up because I've seen the box, but I haven't seen, like, look at that. Look at that. That's so pretty. And then look at all those colors. Again, I just like, the dark color is Spotted Dick, of course. And there you go. That's Spotted Dick. I love darker colors. Ooh, there's one called Figgy Pudding. Let's look at Figgy Pudding. I like that too. It's a nice little shimmer. And it looks good on my skin. Sorry. It's been a day. So this one is Christmas Around the World. How does this one open? I don't know how it opens. And this has got 3 mini palettes as well. One. And these are supposed to smell good. I didn't even smell that one and see if it smelled like English toffee. Oh, and there's my little mascara guy. So happy about that. All right, so smell before we move on. Ooh, I love it. I love toffee. I need some toffee in my life. I might have to get a recipe to make some. But this one is Christmas in New York. And this one is supposed to smell like New York cheesecake. Oh my gosh. It smells like cheesecake. So, Jesus Christ. Eggnog Teeny. That is this one back here. Oh, look at that. It's like a fabulous color. I know my light like really, really sucks because I have no light on and I'm trying to do this in the semi-dark, but this is really gorgeous, you guys. Christmas in Rio is supposed to smell like papaya. It does. Oh my God. So, these are the colors, and this is Christmas Carnival. I'm running out of space. Look at that. That's so pretty. Look at that shimmer. I like it. Ugh. I can't wait to use these, you guys. And this one is Christmas in Sydney, and it's supposed to smell like fairy bread. Whatever fairy bread is, I want some because that smells so good. Look at the colors. Look at that one. What is this? This is Great Barrier Reef. And look how pigmented that is. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. I can't wait. I'm going to play with these very, very soon. Unfortunately, I work a lot. So, yeah. And look at all this pretty pink paper. I really don't like pink, but I like the pretty pink paper. It's like a little fluffy pillow. I'm sorry I have been a lot of MIA. I've been working so super much. I want this pretty pink paper too. And, you know, work is work. I don't have such a commute anymore, so no, I could probably do a car vlog series again, but it would be after work instead of going to work, because I go to work so early in the morning. So we'd have to see how that works. I'm still planning a few things for you guys. I have so much to share with you. We just haven't gotten that far yet. And as soon as I can get my room reset up and redone, we'll go back to making videos and getting things set up properly. We've had a lot of we're moving, we're not moving, we're moving, we're not moving going on, and right now it has been, you know what, I'm just gonna work, and that's how it's gonna be. So we'll see how it goes. But you guys, definitely try to get your hands on at least one of these palettes, because they are fan freaking tabulous. Look how big that is. And they're very decently priced. Of course, Too Faced is always great with their pricing, and their prices are on point. I really, really like these. So we'll see how it goes. We'll do a get ready with me with these soon, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a beautiful day.